Hey everybody, Sean from New Nature Landscaping. Today here we're going to explain to you the difference between a French and an English drain. Just kidding, there is no difference, it's only a French drain. The first step is to dig to your desired height. We have lots of water coming from the street above, and this is the main runway for the water to get to the street. The next step, you grab your non-woven fabric and you make sure you have enough to go on both sides, and then overlap your gravel on top so that the gravel and soil does not get contaminated. So the next step is you're going to grab your 4-inch perforated O with a sock on it, and that's going to keep any loose dirt that does get in there out of compromising your pipe. On these French drains, you have to make sure you at least have 1% of slope, which is roughly, it drops an inch every 10 feet. You can do a little bit more, but never go a little bit less. Next step is your gravel. We like to use 3/4 clear. There's no fines in it, and that prevents it from going through the pipe. Then your final step is you're going to take your fabric, fold it over top, so that then again the soil does not get into the clear gravel.
So you got those connectors in there?
Final step, we're going to put the fabric over top of the gravel like we said before. Take the soil, put it on top, grade it out. We'll use our soil conditioner to loosen up the soil, add some grade soil, and then it's ready for sod. And as the French say, au revoir.